Hello friends, today we are making vegetable millet appam. For making this, we need first a few vegetables, that is carrots, cabbage, tomatoes, capsicum, boiled French beans, ginger, coriander leaves, green chilies. You can also add onions or boiled green peas. You can add or subtract the vegetables according to your liking. We need jowar flour, rice flour, ragi or nachni, bajra flour and oats. Mix all of these ingredients well with 1 glass of buttermilk. It has to be in a pouring consistency. The spices you need to add are 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds or til, 2 teaspoons of jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander and cumin seeds powder or dhana jeera powder, and salt as per taste. Mix it all well. You can add more buttermilk or curds or water as per the required consistency. I have used buttermilk because the curds and the buttermilk, they help in digestion of the nutrients, the absorption of the nutrients from the millets better. That is why I have used buttermilk instead of just plain water. And also when it helps in the fermentation also well. So mix this all well and leave it aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure that there is no dried flour remaining. Mix the batter really well. Like you can see, there are some parts which was not mixed well. I am mixing it very well. Take an appam pan and grease it with either oil or ghee. You'll see the consistency now. Pour your batter with a spoon, with the help of a spoon. I have kept the gas on the medium flame. We don't want it too fast or too slow. The appams are usually cooked very well within 8 to 10 minutes. We are not adding any soda, so this is an extremely healthy recipe. There is no soda or ENO or anything required for this. Once you finish pouring in each of the appams, just cover it with a lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just turn over to the other side. Let it cook from the other side also well. You can turn over the appams with the help of a knife or a wooden spatula or a backside of your spoon. I'm using a wooden knife and a steel knife to do so, and let it cook from the other side for another 5 minutes. And your vegetable millet appam are ready. You can serve this with coconut chutney and sambar. It tastes very well when you dip it well with sambar. You can add your vegetables to your sambar as well. It becomes extremely healthy, extremely nutritious and extremely filling as well. It's a perfect recipe for breakfast, for an evening snack, when you have a guest coming over. It can be made instantly, like you can see. And here's your appam ready. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments.